Sandra Edwards runs an amazing business applying neuro-linguistic programming techniques to coaching for equestrian sport. She asked us for a website that embodies her values, details her approach, and allows customers to book onto her courses and pay online. The first step was to create a branding design that embodies Sandra's vision for her business and incorporates her preferred colour scheme. We had a few different ideas to start the process, and Sandra felt the winged horse motif worked well and gave an aspirational feel to her business. So here's the final design. Once we had established the branding design, we were able to build a complementary website design and page layout. Sandra's customer base is predominantly affluent women who are passionate about horse riding at any level. The first thing anyone sees when they load the website is a close-up video of horse's breath. This is designed to instantly signpost that they've come to the right place and to resonate with anyone who just loves horses. The text headers high up on the page are there to do two jobs. Firstly, they contain optimised words and phrases to make it easy for Google robots to understand how to index the website content. Secondly, they voice the intention of the user visiting the site and engage their aspirations. Sandra's work is all about building a close, trusting relationship with her customers. The clear call to action, "Meet your trainer," personally invites the user to begin their relationship with Sandra, find out more about her and connect with her online. Sandra is offering a range of courses through her site, some face-to-face and some on Zoom. Users can select a course of their choice and purchase via the website. The website is connected to Sandra's bookkeeping app so that every transaction processed is automatically added to her books without her having to manually raise a transaction. We'll be working with Sandra over the coming months to support her adding new courses and content and help her make the most of her online store. So that's all from me for now. If you'd like to visit Sandra's site, there's a link in the comments, and if you'd like to discuss your own website project, just give us a call. Thanks very much for watching.